Sticker time! We got to get some more stickers up on this board. It's looking way too empty, and I got a whole bunch of them to put up. So I'm going to get 3 or 4 at a time put up. Today I'm going to do 4. Let's get started. I'm going to get started today with a fellow wood turner, Pete from RPB, who's done some amazing 3-bowl turnings that are stacked 3 bowls. Really love the work he's doing. Here we go. I think Pete's going to sit right here over next to Johnny. There's Pete. Next, I'm going to get Cheryl from Mermaids and Hand Grenades. Cheryl actually did my stickers, so my stickers were made by her. Anybody looking to get some new stickers, take a look at Cheryl's work. Cheryl, I'm going to get you started right down here next to Toast It. Next, we're going to go with Corey from Ghostworks. Corey, I really love your sticker. Your design on here is just great. Really colorful. I like the colors. I like the design in general. But all in all, it's just a good sticker. The fact that you got your QR code on there was a really good idea too. I'm going to put you right here. And then the last one today, this gentleman and I got to spend a lot of time talking at RustFest this year. Speaking of RustFest, there's the shirt, RustFest 2024. But Randy and I at Kieran Woodworks got to spend a whole bunch of time talking, and I've always really liked watching Randy's videos and seeing his lives, and the work he does is absolutely amazing. So if you're not already following Randy or any of the other people whose stickers I'm putting up today, make sure you grab them from this video and go out and find them. And Randy, I'm going to put you right here in the middle, up above Drake, right there. So that's today's sticker board stick. Thanks for sending stickers, guys. If you're not a part of the sticker exchange yet and you haven't exchanged with me, just PM me on TikTok and we can make that happen.